Here is how to view your Snapchat memories on PC. First, you need to launch your web browser and then go to snapchat.com or search for web.snapchat.com and log into your specific account using your username and your password. Then tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen. Select Account Settings. This will open a new tab and you might need to go ahead and log into your account again. Then go ahead and select My Data and select Export Your Memories. Enable this toggle and then select Request Only Memories. Select the date range and then select Submit and then confirm your email address and click on Submit in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now this will start the export progress and Snapchat will email your download link when ready. You can download the zip file and open it to view your memories, snaps, and stories. Or you can also use any emulator on your device like BlueStacks or Nox Player and then install the Snapchat application over here. Then log into your Snapchat account and you can now access your memories with the Snapchat app on your emulator. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.